Hello everyone, this is Hassan from HTFX, and this is an update video of the dollar Swiss franc analysis that I did. Now it went almost something like 200 pips on the on our favor. But look, now what's the situation? Well, if you did watch the other video, I did explain the structure what I'm looking for here. And now that we have a wave A, B, C, and X wave, and we wanna end this B wave here. Now, the idea because this is a complex correction, it means that the price had to come 618. We did a little bit more digging on the pair, what to do, and we had this idea of a little triangle. A wave could have been here. It doesn't change the analysis so much. But after this wave X is done, we started another corrective wave, or whatever it is. Let's try to find it. So what I did before I start the video, I marked where this wave E is ended on this triangle here. And where's the first wave ended? Wave A ended here. Well, yes. So what I did, I just took fib level to understand where this correction has come. If it's come 618 or less than 618. It does look like it came to 618. So it means that whatever this degree on this green is an ABC, it does look like a flat. Now, if it's a flat, what do we know? Well, if it's a flat, we know that this wave A is here, and if this B is here, now the market should be doing an impulsive wave on the downside as a C wave. Now, what to do? Well, first thing to do is try to understand this count here. Okay, this should be your first priority. What I mean by this? Well, you should go one more degree and say, for example, let's do it together here. So let's say this is wave 1, this is a wave 2. It does look like this will be a wave 3 or even lower, we don't know. Wave 3 and a 4 and a 5. Now, if I can find this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then I can put the C wave here. Now, if I can put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and C wave here, what I will do is I want to know if this A, B, C is, as you know, is part of this complex correction, will be over here or no, okay? Because if it confirms this price action, our trade, then we can safely say that wave B is done here, and we will be looking for a wave C to the upside. Okay, but we must be sure that this is done. Okay, so we have the A, B, C here, X, Y, that's the idea. A here, B here, C here, X wave here, and then we have another A, B, C to the downside. If this is really an impulsive wave, then we should do our 2 to 4 trend line. It cannot be fourth wave here because it almost does it. Could be here too, actually. Our fourth wave can be done already here, and fifth wave, maybe the C wave is done here. We don't know it yet. It's too early. Let's see what the price is doing. I would think that it would do something like this maybe, and then if this B wave is done, good. If it's not, and if it's done, if it does another, sorry, if it's done another X wave, then we will think this is a triple combination. If it's a triple combination, then we need to do BBB trend line, but let's hope it doesn't go there. And by the moment that this is done, then we will try to go long. Okay. Also, let's say that we are wrong here, and this is ABC is just a triangle. So we have a, because this is not an impulsive move. So if it's ABC and this is an corrective wave too, then you need a D and E. You will do this, you will do this triangle here. So if the price, let me show it to you. If the price does something like this, always make sure that you have all these possibilities, okay? Look, don't forget, Elliott wave, in Elliott wave, there are always so much possibilities. You cannot just choose one scenario and stick with it, okay? Because look, market will show it to you that you should have been flexible. So don't make this mistake. So if price is doing something like this, okay? Of course, when I do this this D wave, I'm just drawing it, okay? The D wave can be here, blah blah blah. But if price is doing some thing like this, and it doesn't want to go down so much anymore, it makes new high, new low. Nothing, it cannot make a new low. It means that this is a triangle, and then even though this impulsive wave idea doesn't work, in this way we will put wave B, we still will go to the upside, okay? So this will doesn't change so much fact if it's flat or it's a triangle or not. The only thing that will change if, for example, C wave can be done so much lower. Now that I cannot know, because this, if it's impulsive move, what you should do is take this and 161.8 out of it. So let's do that. So where is this retracement? Okay, here's the tricky part. What we cannot know why this is hard. Well, look, the price has already did more than the requirement of 1.618, okay? But how do we know that the first wave is the second largest wave? Because we didn't see the fifth wave yet. What if price is doing this and we have a fourth wave and we have a fifth wave which is larger than the first wave? That can happen. It means that this price, there's still room to go down. This is why you cannot take a long yet on this price action. Understand? It's very important. You cannot just throw your money away like this. You have to see, you have to wait for market to come to you. You have to make the scenarios. And this, if this, look, there is no, it can go down. No one can stop it. No one can, and it's all inside the rules. So this pair around here, being short was the right call. And from last video to now is 200 pips in profit. But now on the next one, now you should watch this. You should watch this price action here very carefully. If we do something like 4/5 and you think that now this 2 to 4 trend line is broken, then it is not a place to be short anymore. Okay. So I hope this update helps of how to combine ideas together. And I will see you on the next one, guys. Take care.